You've really made me proud. You see why I love you. In fact, I am ready to kill just to become your husband.
You're not killing anyone, okay? I'm yours already. I'm so happy your people already accept me.
Of course, they have to. They have no other choice than to accept you. You've proved to my mother that you are real wife material.
No, people don't believe I'm a church girl. They don't. They think beautiful girls don't worship God.
No, my baby is good. You know, baby, you are good. Okay? You are good. I think it's time for us to enter the bedroom and make this night red.
Oh baby, come on, not again. I told you we're not doing this until after our wedding. Did you forget? Besides, you know I'm still doing fasting and prayers for the good of the family.
Really?
Yes. You want us to spoil it now?
I'm sorry. You know, I'm not angry. I'm not angry at all. Well, I'll wait for the right time. Whatever you say, I will do.
It's okay, come, let me give you a holy peck.
Wow! My love. The love of my love.
Good morning, Mama.
You are awake this morning?
Yes, Mama. How was the night?
It is fine. You don't have to suffer yourself. You should have allowed Ebere to do it. Ebere! Ebere!
Mama, yeah. It's okay. Don't worry. I'm used to this. I'm used to keeping everywhere clean. Mama, when I woke up, it was quite early. I decided not to wake you people up. Hope you were afraid this morning.
Yes, we did.
Mama, you called?
Mechonoge, what have you been doing inside there? And you allow my daughter-in-law to be sweeping? Take this thing from her now.
No, Mama, it's okay. I've been sweeping since morning. I'm almost done. Don't worry, just go inside, look for something else to do.
Let me see my co-wife. I'll soon be back. We have somewhere to go. Ebere, make sure she gets food, her breakfast this morning.
No, Mama. I'm not hungry. Besides, I'm doing fasting and prayers 6 to 3. Yes, I'm going to do it for good 2 weeks. It's good though. Maybe you will join me tomorrow. 6 to 3 fasting and yes. It's good, Mama. It's good though to drive the enemy's eyes away. Any evil plans they are planning, Mama, it will send them back to the abyss of no return. It's good to always pray.
Okay, no problem. We will do the prayer, but the fasting.
Just go in and give her food. I know it has come to fasting. You are thinking somewhere else. Be careful. Let me see my co-wife. I'm coming now.
My fine auntie. Thank you.
Zowe kwensu, zowe ya netere, ekwensu na bahari, ekeshuku kare. Zowe kwensu, zowe ya netere, ekwensu na bahari, ekeshuku kare. Zowe kwensu.
that you cannot share with your family that made you angry yourself, madam.
Why? Why must Adim take his life? Why?
Ichie, let's find a way to bring him down.
Mama. This is abomination. We have to do something before we bring him down. Can anyone give me cola nut?
There's cola nut in the house.
Oh, please, fast bring one. What is happening here? What is happening? Just look at it. This is what we saw this morning. Why? We don't even know. We don't know the reason behind this.
Where is Cassie and the cola nut?
My prince. Hi. Lala, good morning. Lala, good morning.
Ekene?
Yeah?
What are you doing in here?
Clothes. It's the prince's clothes. I came to bring in to carry them so that I can go and wash them.
When did you start washing the princess' clothes? That is the duty of the maids.
Yes. Yes. Prince told me to give it to the maids before he was leaving the house. He said I should give it, and that's why I came to collect it so that I'll give it to the maids so that they wash it.
So where did the prince tell you he was going?
Do I know? He just left and ordered me to do it. That's why I came to collect it.
It's alright. Take it to them to wash.
Okay.
Take it to them to wash.
Okay.
I am so happy. Very, very happy. My son has made me proud.
Are you saying that that girl I saw that day is very prayerful? Is that what you're telling me?
Who will believe it? Who will believe it? That such a girl with that kind of beauty, hey, will have such a character. Mba. Nay, I'm very happy. In short, I am blessed.
I am happy too. But my own is, God should please bless my son the way he has already blessed your son. And I will be the happiest.
Monica, he will. Surely. We'll find good wives for her sons.
My son called the other day to say that he has already found a wife he's going to get married to. I told him we are waiting, that whenever he comes back, we'll follow him down to the place and get married to the girl.
Bam! You have said it all. So what are we waiting for? Ngwa, let's go and meet Kamaka for the money.
We'll have to wait for my daughter to come back so that she can take care of the house while we go.
You are correct. We should wait. Hey! Hey!
Girl. I'm surprised though.
Hey! So I am blessed though. That is what I'm feeling right now.
I am happy for
blessed. You. When I say blessed, I mean it.
Thank you.
Hey, Monica. I am most happy. That is how I put it.
Where could Ozemena have gone since morning without informing any of us?
Your Highness, I don't know. Ekene informed me that he left this morning. Mazi, good morning.
No. This one you are facing is like this. I hope there is no trouble.
Igwe, there is trouble.
What happened?
So what is the trouble all about? Sit down.
Igwe, Mazi Adim died this morning.
Mazi Adim?
Which Mazi Adim?
The same Mazi Adim you and I know. He committed suicide this morning in his compound.
Why? What happened?
Great.
Igwe, for your information, I left your son in that compound.
My son?
I came here to inform you about the death of Mazi Adim.
What is my son doing there? He went there this morning.
Maybe he heard the news about the death of Mazi Adim.
Ozemena. Ha! Ozemena.
Ha! This boy will not kill me. Ozemena will not kill me.
How far now? We can't see you now. What's going on? Listen. Everything is in order. Everything is under control. Do you understand? As you see me now, what I'm thinking is 10 million. Even if I'm going to the toilet, what I'm shitting is 10 million. If I'm sleeping, I see myself counting 10 million. So you people should know what. Okay? He is my prince. Do you understand? I have seen the key. And I wanted to collect this one to go and open the door. Just once I collect the key, open the door, the thing don't go. So, but I tried to get it, but somebody, something happened.
Ekene. Ekene, how many times did I call you? Ekene, are you sure you can do this job?
I can do this.
Are you sure you can do this? What's all this delay now? I mean, this thing is taking too long. It's taking too long.
I will get this. I will do this. See, Ekene, no be say you can do. This man is already disturbed.
Yes, now. The man is waiting.
I mean, you want me to use this 10 million to give us small time. Just one thing to get. Just small time. We are going to carry this thing. As I did so now, my head is contented. No fuck am up. Naija, we no miss this thing. I think I tell you. We cannot miss it. If I miss it, I miss my life. Don't worry, people should go.
Very fast.
That's all life will be. This one, no, we ever. Yoka. Onyema, Ietikapu. Yeah. Onyema, Ietikapu.
You mean this? Ukebu had issues with them.
Oh yes. You see why I always maintain that it is not good to quarrel with someone. Because if the man had died in his sleep, accusing fingers would still be pointing at the direction of Ukebu.
Ukebu should thank his gods. You know, this is an abomination, and it is against our land.
I wonder what my son is doing there. Eh? Anyway.
Igwe, the prince has to leave that place immediately. It is an abomination for a prince to go to a house where someone committed suicide. It is against our tradition and custom. You know that.
Mazi, please, I beg you. Go and take away my son from there immediately. Please do that now.
I will. Igwe, please. Warn him when he comes back. Tell him it is an abomination. It is against our custom and tradition for him to be there.
I will do that. Woman, you heard him?
Yes, I did.
Warn your son.
Ujunwa, my daughter. Honestly, I am jealous and envious of them. Who could believe Obina could be this lucky?
Mama, there is no need for you to be envious and jealous. Your own son will soon be back. Let's pray he gets himself a good wife like Auntie Nkiru.
That girl is very good. Do you know she prays morning and night? She does everything perfectly well. Upon her beauty.
Mama, you worry too much. There's still good girls out there. Not every girl that looks classy is bad though. There's still a whole lot of them with good home training.
Nem, let me be honest with you. If they should allow me, I will steal that girl. I will just bundle her and give her to my son. In fact, bundle her to my son. Why are you laughing? I'll bundle her and give to my own son to get married to.
Mama, is that how much you like the girl?
Yes, sir.
Mama, beg oh. Nobody's stealing anybody. Don't worry. I trust Brother Slim. He'll soon be back, and you know, I trust my brother. He has swag. Packaging. I trust him. He will get himself a pretty, beautiful girl to get married to. I trust him. Don't worry.
He better do that. Because if he should come back here with any Okwenu or wherever, any bad girl, I will just send her packing. No wasting of time.
Mama, action.
Why not?
Mom, see action.
Yes.
Mama,
please leave me, Joe.
This must be very serious. Please, tell the Igwe that I'm coming straight away.
Okay, sir.
Hurry, go.
Nai, but why would Adim take his own life?
I don't know.
Who could make him kill himself?
I don't know. Was he owing anyone?
Who knows?
Hey!
This is abomination. Nai, I thank God though. What if he had died in your hand? What will people say? Hey!
Ugom, let me hurry to the Igwe's palace. Before people start pointing accusing fingers at me.
Yes, you have to. Hey. Adim, Chai. Adim, I know you had issues, but not to kill yourself at this age. Why? Hey, Adim.
Mama, yes, I'm fine. How are you? Mama, wait. Jerry, wait. It's urgent. Yes, Mama. Mama, I'm making stew. You know your daughter don't know how to cook. Yes, just tell me steps to follow. Which one first? Okay. Okay, how many minutes before I now add the meat inside? 20. Okay, Mama. Hey, Mama, I didn't buy that one, no. Okay, I can use the other leaf. Okay. Oh, thank you, Mama. Let me rush back. What? How manage, Mama? Why now? Why will he kill himself? Hey. Hey. Hey, no, now.
Ikiru, I hope all is well.
Mama, there's this man that my father used to help. He's always coming to collect money from my dad. And he gives him. Now, they said he killed himself. He's dead.
It's a lie. Why?
Just like that though. I don't know, Mama. I feel he owes too many people and he cannot stand it anymore. He had to kill himself. But that's bad. If you had told my dad would have given him the money. This is something he always do for me.
Oh, sorry. Then let me just continue with the cooking.
No, I won't allow you to cook. Or me, your daughter-in-law, you say you want to go and cook. Please, Mama, don't worry, I'm almost done. Just go inside. Relax. I'll call you once the food is ready. Yes, Mama.
Okay. God bless you, my daughter.
Thank you, Mama.
Ndo?
Igwe, this is horrible. How could Adim have done this to himself? How?
Oh. You see? That's why I advise that it is not good to quarrel with anyone. What if he had died in your hands yesterday?
Igwe, that was the same question I asked myself. When I heard the news, I was so scared. I was so horrified. I was asking, what if? What if? Igwe, what if?
Father. Who's it? Jake, I greet you.
My prince.
Zemina.
Father.
What were you doing in Adim's house?
Yes, Father, I was there. I met him crying.
What for? Anyway, let's not talk about it now. Okafor, what's the situation?
The youths have taken the dead body to the evil forest.
Why? Father, why would they take the body to the evil forest?
My prince. He committed suicide. It's an abomination. He cannot be buried at home. Igwe, I think it's time you tell him what is at stake.
What's at stake? Is there any problem?
I will, but that is a story for another day. Can anybody volunteer information on what may have triggered Adam killing himself? I mean, was he owing someone money? Was he in any way in conflict with anybody other than the one he had with Ukebu yesterday?
Igwe, I don't know of any problem.
Why are you all looking at me? Igwe, come on, the Kwacha. We only had a few arguments and a fight, and it ended there, and it didn't go beyond that. So, my hands are clean. I don't want anybody to start pointing accusing fingers at me. I didn't kill him. I didn't. Before they start pointing accusing fingers at me, it's not me. I didn't do it. I didn't kill Adam. No.
Adam, why Adam? Hey! Adam, why Adam? Oh!
Dikeh. I won't talk again. Last time, me come a man, where they now? I can find you something, me you eat. At least, me first eat something for belly first.
Cassie. So your father is dead just like that, Cassie. Hey.
Don't. I never know if I won't react. But I think I say, the first wake us up now, say na dream me and you the dream, wake up, say na lie. Why they can't carry the body go evil forest?
That's what happens to anyone that commits suicide. I don't know that wish your father could not share with us that made him to kill himself. What is it? What? Adam, my husband, Adam. Oh, Numa, Obiama wala no. Adam, Manano.
You don't do aware. I don't know. You don't do aware.
Oh, Adam.
Father, what has suicide got to do with the living?
Ozemena, get this into your brain. It is an abomination for one to commit suicide. In this community, nobody will associate with that family for 1 month. And for us royals, who have nothing to do with them unless they have kids here.
This is totally unacceptable. It is unacceptable to me. Father, Cassie and the mother are very, very innocent. Why would they suffer because the father committed suicide? Why?
My son, I don't know where you are heading from here. But know it now that the people of this land, they look up to you as the future king. You cannot go against the tradition of the land. Simple.
What tradition? Mother, I am disappointed. This is very absurd. For a poor family, a very poor family who lost their father, the best way you can console them is to keep them in isolation for 1 month. Father.
Ozemena, come back here. Woman, talk to your son. Talk to your son because he will not like my actions.
Hey! Who kept this in my house?
Why?
Now you are welcome. Look at what I saw in the house.
What is this?
I don't know. I saw it by the corridor here while I was sweeping. And we don't have any kids here in this house that will be playing with this type of thing.
Does it mean that someone has started sending evil to my house?
No, this is serious. So let me burn it.
No, don't burn it. Don't burn it.
I have to burn it.
Don't burn it.
Ah!
Bring it.
Are you touching it?
Bring it. Maria.
Hey!
I am taking this to the Reverend Father. I will also take it to the Igwe's palace. Igwe must see this.
Hey!
God, we are in your hands, so...
Look, don't be afraid. This cannot harm me or harm you either. I am a child of God. I am an anointed child of God.
Hey.
Do you know who of this community? This cannot harm me. Let me take it to the Igwe. And let me take it to Father first. Then take it to the Igwe. Yes.
You are pushing this thing. My hand is even scratching me.
This is food.
Oh yes, oh yes.
Hello. This is food. Nkiru. Yeah. Obina, thank you so much for giving me such a daughter-in-law. Nkiru. This is food.
I told you, Mama. I told you.
This is so delicious. This is good. Thank you very much. I'm used to doing this. This is what I do every day in the house, Mama.
Oh, yes.
This one is not even sweet though. Yeah. I was hurrying so that you cook at it. Wait till I cook next time. You'll be biting your fingers.
Hey! Hey,
Mama, don't worry, there's more in the pot.
Mama, this is good. This is really good. This is not even as delicious as the ones she used to cook for me in the city.
Really?
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Yeah!
Mama, eat.
Nkiru,
Mama.
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mama.
How?
Don't worry, next time I'm going to cook and you'll be biting your fingers.
Ada.
Hey, brother.
Eat and bite your tongue.
Brother, thank you. Now I like good food.
That's why you refuse to fast.
Mama, calm down.
Come on, fast. Your face changed.
That fasting, I'll think about it.
It's enough. The one you are eating is enough. Just keep this spoon happy. Because I saw the way you were picking this meat and you're opening the whole of your eyes. Hey, Berry! Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
Let me see who will try me again in this village. The fear of Ono is the beginning of wisdom. I have warned them. They will not listen. The fear of Ono is the beginning of wisdom. Let me see who will try me again and not die. Die! Because that is what you deserve. Foolish man. Foolish man. Adim Abua or Adim what? Die.
I'm good. Okay, you are any princess clothes?
Yes.
Okay, you will take it to his room.
Once I finish this one now, I'll take it to his room.
Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Just let me finish this one.
Yeah, let me help you.
Thank you very much. I have to go down. Let me finish with this first.
No problem. I'm a nice person.
Ekene, I don't understand you again. No.
Joy. In my heart is ringing.
Ekene,
Joy.
I don't understand you again. No.
In my heart is ringing. Hey, fast. There's no.
Grow up. What is the meaning of this? I mean, how? How did we get here? How can we take ourselves backward because of what? Customs and traditions? No, I wouldn't want to hear of this.
And please, I've ironed them. Their clothes.
Drop them there, thank you.
Huh? This one, you're backing me like this. Are you okay?
I'm not, but I'll just be fine.
Okay. My prince, bye-bye. Hey!
I came so that we can talk.
Mother, there's nothing to talk about. Absolutely nothing. If it has to do with Cassia's family matter. Think of it, Mother. How can a poor woman like Cassia's mother lose her husband and still suffer under such archaic customs and tradition? How?
My son, that is not the first time it has happened. Let me ask you, when did you start developing such an interest in that?
Mother, this is the exact point where you get it all wrong. It is not all about interest.
What?
Let me put it this way. If any individual in this village or family suffers under the same condition, I will feel the same for them. It is not all about interest. Look at it this way. Firstly, we offended them by the way Father handled Cassia's matter. While we were still on that, this happened. I have no choice but to feel for them.
My son, custom and tradition say you should stop.
I can't stop and I won't stop. Mother, I can't stop and I won't stop. We are human beings too. Please.
It's alright. Excuse me.
We're back. I'm back. Where will they go this early morning. Mama!
Oh, whoa! You're welcome. 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 Hey.
Mama, how are you?
You're welcome, eh? No. How are you?
I'm fine. Mama, I'm back home.
Hey, I saw you people on the road. I was even stopping your car, but you didn't hear it. I was going to see Mama Cassie and Cassie before I saw your car driving in. I now decided to run back to the house. You're welcome. Oh, thank you, Mama. You're welcome, my in-law.
He said he has something for you, a surprise. I don't know what, so it's between the both of you.
Surprise?
Oh yes, a very big surprise.
Oh, I can't wait to see the surprise. First, let me bring out Shay.
Igwe, DJ, the point I am trying to make is that there is no point, there's actually no point returning that pot back to its former place. Let us leave it here.
Oh no. What I'm saying is that we should renovate the place. Do a proper security review. Check the locks if you want to. Put a guard there perpetually. That's what I'm saying.
You may be right, but what if the guard we put in there tampers with it?
Oh, that is it. For me, you have enough room in this house. I would suggest we keep it here. If we lose it, if we lose the pot, the whole of us here will be in trouble.
Igwe, that is the point. That is the point I've been trying to make.
There's something you people are forgetting. We have tourists coming there to take pictures. We make money from it, Igwe. So what are you trying to say? Are you saying now that they should come to Igwe's house to come and take pictures? Oh no.
There is nothing to worry about. The pot is already kept in a room firmly secure. And my son has the keys to it. Let me call him so that he'll take you so that you inspect it. Guard, call my son for me.
Sorry, Your Majesty. He's not around.
And where has he gone to?
I don't know, Your Majesty.
Wait now. Wait for me.
Nkiru. Yay! I think I prefer that boy, Obinna. Look at money. There go.
You've not seen Chooks and you're complaining.
Look at money. There go. Go on.
I know, Mama. Wait until Chooks come back. If he gives you money, Mama, who jogato? Mama, cause the Ben. You've not seen anything yet.
Which one is Chooks and Ben?
Mama, you don't know Chooks? The one that stays abroad now. Ben is the one that works with the oil firm. Then no Binna, he works with the telecommunication. They are all rich, Mama. Me, I don't even know which one to marry. They are all over me.
Hey! I know you. I trust you.
Mama.
But my daughter, you have to be careful. But I prefer this Obinna. My mind has already accepted him.
Mama, you need to see the way they treated me at their house. The mom loves me so much. She loves me so much. What of the co-wife? They had to spread their wrapper on the floor for me to walk on, Mama. They treated me like a queen. To them, it's like, let them marry me today, tomorrow. I'm so happy, Mama.
Is that how much they love you? That is where you will go. Yes! Because listen, my daughter, when it comes to marriage, it is good that your mother-in-law loves you more than your husband. If Robinna, that is where you will go. Obinna, Kaigeso.
My mom is not a politician.
Cousin, I want you to understand that being alive is the most important. Okay? Irrespective of what you're going through, I want you to be strong for your mother.
I promise I'm strong. My biggest concern is me. I'm sorry. It's okay. I guess I'm a bit stressed. And now things getting too bad. To be sorry. But how do you feel? And I haven't been stopping you to get close after my week.
You shouldn't bother like that, okay?
But how do I continue my business? What do we do? How do we feed? You know,
I'll take that. Yes, I will. All you have to do is send me your account number. You have my number. I'll take care of it.
Thank you.
Please take care of your mother, okay? When she wakes up, find something for her to eat.
Thank you.
I should go now. For there?
No.
Key to 10 million. 10 million naira. 10 million. Yes, don't worry. Stay cool. I'm coming for you. Yes. Hello, boss. Yes, boss. I am very sorry, boss. I was held in the traffic. No, boss, no. I was trying to get to the boys. Boss, of course you can trust me. We are working on it. In fact, I have mobilized the boys. The truth of the matter is that the king took the pot away from where it used to be. It is now in a very safe place where they can get to it now. The boss, there is no problem. Everything is fine. We have a plan B. As I talk to you, there is an insider working with them. This plan is going to be very, very smooth. Yes, boss. Yes, yes. Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Mama, try make you eat something. Do something for your belly. See as God they doing thing. He don't bring Prince now to come help us. Eh?
Thanks to him. But is it going to last?
As how?
Soon they will stop him from coming to see us. They will stop him.
Mama, see And he don't promise me say he no go abandon us. Eat something.
Okay. I've heard what you said, but let's see how we will manage this money.
Mama, now you hold the money. Put something for your belly. Jody Russia. Russia. You never eat since. Put something for your belly.
Small now.
As you know, come be small picking, hold on. May you chop. Eat something.
Why is this girl like this? Who asked her to lock this door and leave with the key? Is she mad? If I come out from this room, I'm going to give her this lamb. 10 million. This girl wants to spoil our show. 10 million. What am I going to do now? Hey.
You have to listen to this. You have to listen to me.
Mother, I will not listen this time around. I won't. I care so much about Cassie and her family. Please, let me help them.
My son, I beg you in God's name. This is from going to say Cassia. You have already done enough for them. You have tried for them. Please.
Mother, you should be the one to stop this tradition. Maybe let's stop the killing of twins. You should stop something. I mean, Mother, you have the power.
Don't go there. A tradition that has been there even before your father was born? Oh, please don't be stubborn. Don't. Why are you like this?
Mother, I beg to be left alone. Please, you can take your leave.
It's alright. Should I tell Ekene to get you a palm wine?
I won't be late tonight. All I want to do right now is to take my bath and have some rest.
It's alright.
So you are telling me now that they have given you the order to go ahead?
Yes, sir, hey! Mama. Yes. Mama, in fact, you need to see how happy they were to have me as a son-in-law. Well, once I come back next month, we shall make the movement.
Why next month? Why wasting all this time? Mbam, let's do it now. Okay, you have not told your colleague.
No.
I'll do that myself.
No, that is not the problem. You see, I want Slim to go with me. He said he's coming back next month. So, I'm waiting for him.
Okay. That will be fine.
Yes.
That will be fine. Hey! Ezeoku, I can't wait to have my daughter-in-law.
Mama, she's already yours.
I'm going to spoil her. Yeah! I will spoil her, I will design her from the top. Down! Very smooth. You like her?
I trust you, I trust.
Joy, where is Ekene? I don't know, Ma. I was even looking for him to tell him that the food is ready so that he'll come and carry his food. But he's nowhere to be found. Where does that boy always go? He leaves his home without informing anyone. Listen, if he comes back, please alert me.
Who's there? Guess who's back?
I know. I see you. Welcome.
Thank you very much. How are you?
I'm very well. Welcome back.
Thank you very much. How are you?
I'm fine. How did it go?
It went well. Yes, as you can see, I'm just coming back. I've not even gotten home.
No.
I'm serious.
That's so kind of you.
Where's your mother?
Oh, Mama went out, but she'll soon be back.
Oh, good. Kind of. There you go. This is for you, and Mama.
You shouldn't have.
Come on.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please sit.
Thank you.
That's a lot.
So tell me, how's business going?
Ah, very well. Help me thank God. They've started buying things from me in this village.
No wonder you're shining, smiling.
Very happy. Happy, oh. Ah.
That's good. Let me have it. Let me pick it for you, okay? Very soon, we will stop this business.
Ah, no, bros. No. I change it for you, babe. I change it. Stop which business? And where am I supposed to get money to start another? Ah, bros, I jump and pass.
Did you just ask that question?
Yes.
What do you have me for? I'm here, okay? You need not worry. You know you have me. I'm here for you. All this is okay?
Igwe, your idea is a very good one. We will all adopt it.
It is. It is. We will erect a strong room outside and put the pot of life there. Get guards who will be paid to man it. I think it is better than allowing visitors coming into my compound and prying into my privacy.
Exactly.
When my son comes back, I will tell him to start it immediately.
Igwe, I greet you. No, I greet you.
Mazi Okafor, it is you I greet.
Mazi Okafor, you are welcome. It is good you are here. Because I was discussing with Tichi Okebo on the need to erect a strong room outside and put in the pot of light there so that visitors will not be prying into my privacy.
Anyway, that will be fine. I told you. But what I saw today is not good. And you, ILOH, you will hear it.
That's why I'm here. And what is it that you saw?
Your son is back.
That my son is back. But he is not here, so how do you say he is back?
I saw him at late Mazi Adim's house. He was coming down from his car. Out of email. I thought you said he no longer goes there.
For 3 weeks he has been out of town. So, coming back instead of coming to my house, he has gone there to see that useless girl. No. I think this love song is turning to war song.
Igwe. What I see is a love drama. Igwe. Alo. And it is dangerous. Igwe wepu aka Igwe n'ofe tupu ọwa aka mmadụ. And it is an abomination. Igwe. Alo. And it is in your place to cut it off.
I assure you, it has to stop. It must stop.
I am back. I am back. You see your back now. I am back. Malaysia. What did you see? Malaysia.
Mama, you never told me he's coming back.
Oh yes. I told Obaino, don't tell them we are coming. And I will take you by surprise, and I'm here. No, I'm not your husband. Please go and call my mother and the parents. No need. Okay, Malaysia to go down.
I should go.
Don't go. Calm down. Obaino, we'll go there later. Okay. For now, let us settle here. No matter the way we'll do it in Malaysia. Sure. Once you come back like this, man. Hey! Right leg.
You just
once you go again. Hey! I didn't tell you. Left and right. Obaino! Enter that GLK, eh?
One more.
Obaino! Enter GLK, Butife.
Is this slim that I'm...
With that small boy. Oh no, let us celebrate it. Let's start from here. I left this village. Obaino, Butife. This is me, man. Flesh and blood. Hey! Obaino. Manisha didn't get because Manisha didn't get because Manisha didn't get because Surprise them on my behalf. Lay that one. Bia. So what is one down?
Enough. In fact, I am not returning to that house. I'm not house.
Abeg, bros, before you sit down for that chair like in a bed, not be bed. Come begin the go house. The person who came my papa will never still know till now. Me dem no come give me and my mouth for your matter.
Cassie, point of correction. Nobody is killing you. Nobody is killing anyone. What created the boundary is tradition. Let us not do anything we will all regret. Leave him, let him go. Please, Ozamena, I beg you. Let's go home.
Mother, stop this you're saying. No one is holding me back.
Ozem,
I'm not going.
Look at what you're doing to me. What did I ever do to you? Look at the disgrace.